Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can quickly and easily integrate our conversational assistant into most websites using our simple code. To do this, on the right-hand side, I've got a fresh install of Drupal 8 on a new website. It doesn't have any dependencies or other modules, just right how it comes. On the left-hand side, we've got the Neon Nano, which is on our neongecko.com website. What we're going to do is install the Neon Nano into this new Drupal 8 website. And to do this in Drupal 8, you want to click Add Content, and then click on Article. And when you create an article, you want to have a title, so we're just going to say chat. Click on the source button, paste the code in, go down to text format, and click on full HTML, and you'll see a little bit of the box pop up, which is great. We're not done yet. You want to click Save down at the bottom. And now we have a new, fresh version of the chat on this Drupal 8 website. We're going to do a couple of tests, and to do this, I'm going to turn these speakers on. These speakers will have whatever Neon says come out audibly, and I'm going to ask a couple of questions. Neon, what time is it?
6:14 p.m.
Tell me about Rome.
Rome is the capital city and a special commune of Italy. Rome also serves as the capital of the Lazio region. Answer provided by Wikipedia.
So as you can see, in just a few seconds, you can go from having nothing on your website to a full-featured artificially intelligent chat.